One of the things that My iLife enables students to do is to pay their student account balance or other bills they need to pay at iLife. So this is a short tutorial on how to submit a payment, a credit card payment through My iLife, either for your tuition or other fees that you owe. So the first step will be to log into My iLife using your username and password. For most folks, the username will be your student ID number, which is on your iLife ID card. So you'll enter your username and password and click on the login button. You should then see a current students tab. You will click on the current students tab. Once in the current students tab, you will click on the business office page over on the left hand side. On the business office page, one of the important sections of the page to pay attention to is this business office information section here. In that section, you'll see primarily important dates for the academic year, if not just for one quarter, listed here. And the business office has done a great job of informing students of all of the important dates, when classes begin, when you'll be billed, when your charges will be posted, and importantly for those of you getting financial aid, you'll see the date when your credit balance refund checks will be issued. So if you've been awarded financial aid and you have received more aid than your tuition, you will get a refund check for the rest of that money, and this tells you the dates when those will be deposited to your account or processed. So there are other important dates on that list as well that can be useful. At the very top, you'll see a My Account Info section. In order to see your charges and to pay your account balance, you can click on the My Account Balances link, and that will open up a screen that shows you any balances you have with respect to the business office here at iLife. If you have a balance, it will say whatever the dollar amount is here, and you'll notice it's hyperlinked, so you can click on that dollar amount, and that will take you to a summary screen that will show you what charges have been applied to your account, and so you can know what you're paying when you pay this bill. So in order to pay, you just click on this Make a Payment link, and it'll ask you how much you want to pay. And normally this will be paying the full amount of your balance. So let's say my balance was $1,000. I would type in 1,000. You could type in whatever amount here you want to pay, and then click Submit. And currently our only method of payment is credit card, so that's what is selected by default. So you'll say Continue, and then it will My iLife will then ask you for your credit card information and billing address, etc., etc. So you'll need to fill out all the required fields. So card number, card type, and the security code for your card, which is found on the back of the card in the little signature stripe usually, and then expiration date, and then your billing information. You'll enter street, city, state, zip, country, and phone number. And make sure that this is the address information that corresponds to the credit card you're using for payment. And some of the fields have formatting that they suggest. You'll notice the phone format is suggested as digits with dashes in between. And again, make sure that when you have a payment correct email address processed in box, you will receive an email that will get generated at the address that you specified here, will be sent giving you a receipt for the payment. So once you've entered all the required fields, keep that email in case you have need to address any issues. And that will bring you to a confirmation page, which will show you again all the information you'd entered to make sure it's correct. If it's not correct, if something's missing or something's incorrect, click on the back button and you can go back and edit it and then come back to this confirmation page. If the information is correct, you can click Continue, and that will submit your payment both to our business office and to your credit card company. If there are any errors along the way, the system will notify you as such. And if you have any trouble with those errors, feel free to either contact the helpdesk at ileft.edu if it's a technical problem, or contact the business office if you're unsure of whether your bill got paid or something of that nature.